Good morning, kids. Welcome back again. How are you all? Yesterday we did revision related alphabet. Today again we quickly revise alphabet. Let's start.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Hey children, I know you all are very smart and knows alphabet very well. So today I am giving you worksheet related to alphabet.
In this worksheet, you can match the alphabet. First, you recognize the capital alphabet, then match with their small alphabet. Like our first alphabet is capital A. Now find where is small a? Yes. Now match capital A with small a. Okay. In this worksheet, you can recognize the alphabet and match with their related picture. Like our first alphabet is capital L. Now, L says what? L says dog? No. L says lion. Very good. Now, match it.
Hey children, after this worksheet, we can do more one activity related to alphabet. Okay, let's start. Kids, in this activity, we have capital letter chart and small letter disposable glass. Now, what can you do? First, you can take one glass, recognize the alphabet. Which alphabet is this? This is small g. Now, find where is capital G? Here, here, here. Very good. Now, keep it here. Again you take one more glass. Which alphabet? Small a. Very good. Now find where is capital A. Very nice. Take one more glass. Which alphabet? Small m. Where is capital M? Very good. Again take one more glass. Which alphabet? Small t. Where is capital T? Very good. Again take one more glass. Which alphabet is? Small e. Where is capital E? Very good. Again take one glass. Which alphabet is this? Small h. Now where is capital H? Here. Very good. Very nice.